Ask Us is a digital reference service available to students who are doing research and don't know where to turn. Using Ask Us, you can be anywhere in the world and submit a reference question to a librarian here at U of M. To use Ask Us, simply go to the library's homepage, lib.umich.edu, and in the lower left-hand corner, you will see a link to the Ask Us Now service. On the next page that appears, you'll find a Meebo chat box embedded directly within the page. From here, check to see if a librarian is available to help you out. A librarian is available if the balloon on the top of the Meebo box is green. If the balloon is red, this means a librarian is unavailable, and you can find options for asking your question through a different means on the left-hand side of the page. If a librarian is available, you can type your question right into the box and they'll get to you as soon as possible. It really is that easy. Good luck with your research.
Hi, I'm Dan. I'm going to talk to you today about IFS space and ITCS printing. I'm going to go through what they are and how you can use them, how you can access them from your computer and from site's computers as well. So let's start out with IFS space. Your IFS space comes with the basic computing package, which all students at the university receive. Your IFS space is the storage system that the university provides that all the students have access to. There's a couple of easy ways to access this storage. So if you happen to be in a computer lab or a computing site, which are the computer labs within the residence halls, the easiest way to access your IFS space is through the icon on the desktop. It'll say IFS Home or IFS Space, and you can just drag files into it. You can save files there directly from Word or PowerPoint. Now, that's a great solution if you're in a computer lab, but what if you're in your room or you're at your friend's place and you want to get access to your files? That's where mfile comes in. Simply open up a web browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox, type in mfile, that's mfile.umich.edu, and then click Login on the upper left-hand side of the screen. You'll be asked for your unique name and password. Go ahead and log in, and then you'll have access to all the files that you've stored in your IFS space. You can also use the commands on the left-hand side of the screen to upload files, copy, move, rename, or delete files from your IFS space. Another nice feature about IFS is that there's daily and weekly backups of your files. So if you accidentally delete or change a file in your IFS and you want to get back to the old system, you can just click Show Hidden Files on the left-hand side of mfile, and then all your old files will be in a folder called .old files. If you copy any of these older files back into your mfile, it will restore the previous state of that file. You can also expand your IFS storage or create a website using IFS. For more information, please visit the ITCS webpage at itcs.umich.edu. On to ITCS printing. The basic computing package also includes 400 pages of black and white printing per semester. If you need to print more than that, it's 6 cents a page billed to your student account. You can also print colored pages whenever you want, however this isn't included. Each additional side costs 40 cents. Now that means if you duplex it, that counts as 2 sides, so it's actually going to cost you 80 cents for that page. Another cool thing about sites printing, though, is the mprint website. It's mprint.umich.edu, and again, if you click on Login in the upper left-hand side of the screen, you'll be able to log in with your unique name and password, and then you can print to any site's printer on campus. This is really convenient because if you're in your room and you want to print something to the site in your hall, you can print right from mprint. Also, if you're on campus and you want to print something out for class really quick, you can just print it to a printer that's close to where you are. And again, if you need help or have more questions about any of these features, or what else you can do with your basic computing package, the ITCS website has excellent documentation. Just go to itcs.umich.edu and just use the links on the left-hand side of the website. If you'd prefer to talk to someone on the phone, call 734-764-HELP, and someone will be able to help you out with any questions you have about sites or mprint or mfile. That's all I have. Thanks for listening.
For those of you who are enrolled in the College of Engineering, or COE for short, you have an allocation of $60 worth of printing on designated Computer-Aided Engineering Network, or CAIN printers. You can print black and white pages at 3 cents per printed side, or color pages at 12 cents per printed side. Additionally, CAIN provides 300 pages of printing on ITCS printers. This will only become active after all the basic 400 pages have been exhausted. COE students have access to all the King computer labs. Each King computer lab provides blue and/or maize printers. Maize printers can print in either color or black and white, while blue printers can only print in black and white. To track your allocation, visit the website displayed on the screen. Once you enter, you can view your cane printing allocation along with your meal plans, etc. For a complete list of descriptions of the labs, visit the website displayed on the screen. Note that, even though the Duderstadt Center houses many cane computers, it is not a cane lab, and the printers inside are RTCS printers, and printing to those draws from your 400 pages of basic computing package allocation. As a COE student, you have access to many free softwares, such as Windows XP or Windows Vista, through the Microsoft Developer Network Academic Alliance Program, or MSDNAA for short. To view the list of softwares you can download or get your login information, visit the website displayed on the screen.
You already know what the IFS space is and how to get to it from a university computer and through mFile system. However, don't you wish there was a simpler way to access the IFS files from your personal computer? As it turns out, your U of M tech guys took care of that too. All you will need is a simple program that's available for free from our UM webpage.
itd.umich.edu/bluedisk.
If you are a PC user, look for the SSH Secure Shell link on the left side of your screen. It should be listed as number 2 under the optional software section. Click on the link and the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click on the file, which will lead you through a simple installation process. Once you finish that, go to your Start menu, click on Programs, UM Internet Package, and the UM Home Directory. Click on it and enter the following data, if it's not already there. sftp.itd.umich.edu for your host name, your unique name for the username, and 22 for port number. Then hit Connect. A window will pop up prompting you to enter your password. Enter your UMich password. If you are a Mac user, go to
itd.umich.edu/bluedisk.
and download the Fugu SFTP program, listed as number 3 under Optional Software on the right side of your screen. The download will start automatically, when it's done, double-click on the file and follow the simple installation procedures. After Fugu is in your application folder, all you need to do is to run it and enter your UM unique name and password to gain access to your IFS space. Now you can drag and drop any files to and from IFS space. Brought to you by ResComp.
Did you know that there are many places available on campus to you for dealing with computer-related issues? One resource is the ResComp HEDO Help Desk. The ResComp Help Desk is available to help residents connect to the Ethernet network. Support technicians help troubleshoot connectivity issues and help residents correctly configure network settings to get online. To reach the Help Desk, call 647-1133. They are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The CVCs are another great resource. The Centers for Vulnerability Control, also known as the CVCs, are locations on campus where residents can take their computers to receive several services that will assist with managing computer security issues. For example, if your computer is infected with a virus, you can bring your computer to a CVC location for assistance. However, they do not handle hardware problems. Currently, we have 2 locations available. One is located in the South Quad CLC and the other is located in the Bursley CLC. They offer services such as antivirus installation and virus remediation for free. Just make sure to bring your M card. One more useful resource is the ITCS Computer Showcase. The Computer Showcase provides low-cost assistance with a variety of software and desktop problems. If you have a Mac or Dell hardware-related issue, this is the place you can go for support. There are 2 locations. one in the basement of Michigan Union and the other is located in Pierpont Commons. Take advantage of these resources.
Thank you for watching the RCSC podcast. If you have any questions or comments regarding the material you have just viewed, please feel free to contact your local RCSC. Until next time, please keep all technology-related issues at the forefront of your mind. Goodbye.